In this product spotlight, I am spotlighting Stampin' Up! Stamps. If you purchase the Everyday Thanks stamp set with the host code in the yamstamps.com/shop store, I will send you a tutorial for a project featuring this stamp set. So it's a really cute outline stamp set, great for coloring, great for leaving black and white. So it's a cling stamp set. So that means it's a red rubber stamp set. So a red rubber stamp set comes with the red rubber stamps and the labels that go on them. So it's up to you if you want to use the labels or not. I do like using them, and they are extra sticky now, so they do well for holding it to your clear blocks. So what you'll do, I'll show you how I mount my stamp sets. So there is the side that you can read through a bit better, and then there's a side that's a little harder to see and backwards. And it has a perforation on the wax liner, wax paper liner or whatever it is. So you take off the liner, and you want to work on a flat surface. You punch out the stamp, and then you peel off the backing. Try not to touch the back of the stamp too much, and then you're going to line up the stamp onto the label, like so. And then you peel it up, and the label's on the back. There's another way to try lining up your stamps and your label. So peel up your label, put its sticky side down onto the block. Peel up the liner. Take your stamp, remove the backing, line things up, and push down. So at the end, I will keep all my bits and pieces. So I use the stamp set case. I put the liner down because it's got some non-sticky stuff on it. And then I use it like a puzzle piece. So I know where all the stamps go back, because I tend to remove things when I craft, and I don't always put them back right away. I'm working on that. But this way I can tell if I'm missing a stamp right away. And by putting it onto the liner, it doesn't get totally stuck down to the plastic of the stamp case. But like I said, it's a really quick way for me to look at something and know if I've missed putting away a stamp or if I'm missing a stamp from a set. Like that. And then you're good to go. I will show you how that works for me. So here you can see I'm missing a stamp. So I know I have to find that stamp somewhere in my craft room. If you purchase a photopolymer stamp set, those are the clear stamp sets. So the way they're packaged right now is that the label, so the packaging label has the images on the inside. So then the stamps come in a certain way. And again, I just use that as my template. I peel up the plastic, peel off the stamp, put it back when I'm done, and then I can also tell if I'm missing something. If you purchase the Everyday Thanks stamp set with the host code in the yamstamps.com/shop store, I will send you a tutorial for a project featuring this stamp set.